What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my people. What go on? Don't know the attacking boss right here and you don't know the thing. Attack. Yeah man, so they are not the night you know. You see me? Not the night, I can't daylight right now at night. You see me? Sting. Big man thing, Sting. Boy, Leng, me I tell you the truth, Leng. Me know say I the anniversary of Sting. You try a thing for bring it back. Only but people turn out still, you know. A good amount of people turn out. Big man thing. A good, yeah, people turn out. But you see a lineup, Leng. Lot of them look at crosses that we got past Sting. Honestly, they need for going at the garbage. You see me? From about, say, after 10 when them artists they start work come done, a whole heap of garbage, me see. Honestly, Jamaica have so much talent, Leng. You understand? And them the same thing the first half me I talk about, you know. We bring on the show. Them the same thing there. Honestly, people, when me say talent, me say go on a road youth or go on a road girl. You understand? Talent. But you see when me say not talent, honestly, go find something else though. You get me? I say, go find something else though. Don't come embarrass yourself. Whole heap of embarrassment, me say. Me say honestly, whole heap. You understand? Whole heap of embarrassment. Them the name for the past thing. When I hear about Sting people and people hear about Sting, you know. People are talk about, you know what is Sting? Eh? And at them the same thing the way yo, remember the bees, you know. Sting is all about the bees and the eye was Sting, you know. But them the same thing, they even not ching. Them even not cling. My gosh. But look here now. Real talk. The real artist, whether texting, never get to perform. Tommy Lee Sparta, who that texting. See me? Tommy Lee Sparta, who that texting. So long me never did pay the artist, you know. You understand? Me never the artist booking did confirm when they pay the artist I will go on. And nobody can tell me about police like I have nothing. See? Because Sparta boss would have worked before them so them a go clash. You see me? And me not say Sparta boss advertise it on him IG. Me say Sparta boss advertise a lot of different stuff. So I go on. You did the confirm. You understand? So Tommy Sparta list the link with the video them and them thing there. But if certain things not right in a link, you understand? The show, honestly, people think that thing is that nice. That's why them turn out. If people did really know, if it's then that waste their money and their hours to go stand up there, so you understand when they could not get them rest. If you gonna stand up there so for waste of time, that was waste of time, man. But back to basic now. Alright. The clash now with Nyamosity. And Nyamosity, chap, I want to say NEWLINK with Chayodi. And Fullybad bad. Cause you see Nyamodi, you're Nyamodi, you know, you is Nyamodi. You understand Nyamodi bad mind boy. And you see, the one who then call himself now. I don't even know, you're not Nyamosity, no brother, you're Shannon Nyamosity. You're a demon youth from hell. You're Satan, you know. Let me call your name, Nyamosity. You're Satan youth. You're an evil youth, you're a bad mind youth, and that's why you get fat up. You see me? You're bad mind youth. Chayodi now, Nyamodi. Me understand say him fighting you car, him bad mind too, you know. You see me? Cause if he name bad mind, him would turn up on the stage just if he got clash Fullybad, you know. You see me? That the clash that they did for Demarco. Demarco say he want 6 million. Len can't pay 6 million for Demarco forward. You understand? Me don't know how you reach there, so. Because the clash are the Demarco and Fullybad, two bad artists them. You can't clash nobody, brother. Man, you see you got this to flap yourself. You feel say differently. Nyamodi, you couldn't manage Fullybad. No make Marcus fool you, brother. You could never manage Fullybad. You never bad like Fullybad shoes lace, much less him shoes bottom and his shoes, brother. You can't anger the youth. People and the bias, if you not like Fullybad, a bad artist. Bad artist. Nyamodi, a gimmicks artist, a clown. You see me? Brother, better go try write some lyrics and find some gimmicks and see you can find back another hit. But this war thing, leave that alone, brother. You try it with 10 chick, you know work. You understand? Now you want leave certain things alone, brother. But Nyamosity, let me tell you this, youth. You're a dirty mind, youth. You're corrupted, youth. Over the years, you try clash, brother. You say popcorn this and you win that and this, brother. You still can't boss. You know what chance or opportunity then give you. You see you win clash a sting, brother. Me not see you do nothing with your career, brother. What am I gonna make other people get a chance, brother? You see Nyamodi and Fullybad go clash now. You understand? Remember the real clash go on a sting, you know. Realist clash me I talk about Bunty. No. Vibes Cartel Mavada. I remember after that clash that when Cartel took off like an airplane. Yoop. Mavada. Yoop. You see, this clash here could have give Fullybad career a real boots, which me not saying career down there, you know, or in career can go up there, you know. But yes, that clash there would have give Fullybad career a real boots, real boots, you know. But you see, you boy, Nyamosity, you want dirty mind jankro. I don't know where you find yourself from. You see leng them, or not even say leng. You see, the promoters and the stage manager who allow this same thing to fall on the stage and mash up a thing, there's a garbage too. Because this same thing should never forward this. Number one, him and none of these artists were in a war, like a lyrical war before. Nobody no know say Nyamosity, you understand, and Fullybad or Nyamodi have a beef or a riff or go on where him go forward when he see the thing a nice up. The class get sweet, you know, even though Nyamodi in can't do nothing in people. But Fullybad, you understand? The thing I get nice now the morning when the show go finish and the MC beg for a few more hours. And this junker forward on the stage and mash up a show. Youth, honestly, yeah, get fucked up, brother. But you're lucky see that I get, brother. Real thing, people. Stop boring your Fullybad, that youth there. And a normal youth. Him have some people respect him uptown. And when they ain't talk about some badness and thing, and a joke thing, we know things personal. You see the youth name Nyamodi, map up people around him too, you know. Him love by likes. But you see him, but you see this youth name Nyamosity, I want bad-minded youth. Youth you're that dirty and corrupt. See, all you do, and you are dirty, brother. Nyamodi the same way. Because you want to stop that youth and him Fullybad. You say Demarco, respect to Demarco in a million times, you know. Demarco a big artist, you know, international. No care nobody want to say, no, brother. A big artist, no, brother. Big artist, producer, you know. You see me? Demarco produce song for all of top Americans, you know, G. So, you see when Demarco stays a woman and get Fullybad a strength, brother, with that clash there. It's a good movement in the youth career, you see me? Good boots. I'm happy because Fullybad a try a long time in the people. Yeah, you say youth for and talk with foot hype do and them thing the youth a try a long time. Real youth. So I want the youth get the chance. So you say Sting now would have give youth a real boots in career. But the junker Nyamosity, from nowhere the junker pitch. Like him smell real dead meat up there. You understand? And see when cause me say Fullybad youth, you see if I did all me a Fullybad youth. Right now, me I tell you say, none of your mouth side can't move or your face can't move, brother. Because when me done, you me not wrong Fullybad for you say, boy, where you gonna move? You can't see the man them policy and you forward there looking cranny, nasty, thinking self good in evil beard. Eh? Go watch your friends here there or something, man. But you gotta make problem you to mash up the show. Fullybad not forget no charge. So the officer them say them go charge Fullybad and never must sit never charge. Because the state manager should have their work and never allow you always do this as thing, brother. You always like on a plan for fight go on. Me have to wonder if you don't know how to end a show. So you just use this strategy to make fight happen for the people them say a fight mash up a show. Over and over. Like as a strategy you use, brother. Because you know say lot of artists never did it. Like Tommy Lee Sparta and other artists never dare. So when you do this now, you go tell lies say, hey, they want to sit there anyway, but the fight mash up make you not get for perform. You say, have some wicked set of people, brother. Big man thing, wicked G. Bounty Killer, big performance to Joshy and Baby Sham. You see me? Turbulence, big up yourself, good performance. Anthony B, same way. You see me? Capitan, big performance. You see me? Them their performance, I look up to Tanya Stevens, so big up yourself, see Macca Diamond, big up. You see me? Angel, big up. You see me? Major Mackerel, big up General B, big up on yourself. You see me? Me soon need to coach. You see me? All of them artists there, them do a good thing. Me nah go around here, you know. Them do a good performance. You see me? But you see some little crashes them, you look at Jankra them, they never deserve to do them. Only for them. I mean not Jankra. You don't go come for mash up the thing, your bad mind are killing, a poison, envy, hatred. You know, dirty on the mind, corrupt. And Nyamosity, you're not going nowhere, brother. Me I tell you, your career start like one old car we park up around this and one dump truck. You understand? Your career come like garbage over this because your heart dirty and your heart not clear. Not until you go up a St. Thomas up a river, go take a bath and cleanse up a dirty mind and your dirty heart and soul youth, you're going to come to something in the music. You're dirty youth. You're corruption youth. You're destruction, consumption, ransumption. Boom! Fullybad. Don't make that stop your youth. You understand? Continue to do your thing, youth. Continue to do your thing. You prove them already. Are you win the clash? Fullybad, are you win the clash? Big up yourself. My people, you don't know the attacking boss, take on it. You understand where the attacking boss and who forget attack. Nyamosity, attack for your same thing. Nyamodi, attack for you. And then look all crosses that were forward passing and not give the real artists them when they want a chance. Because all the young artists out there, you know, with good talent, you know, could have forward and do a thing, they not get the chance. But them look crosses that will come on the stage, straight attack for you. Come off. Find yourself somewhere. I don't know what to pitch from. You understand? Our Queenie a waste of time too. Queenie a waste of time, brother. So I mean even not talk about Queenie. Queenie a real waste of time. You see me? Queenie a waste of time. Honestly. I'm already could do this thing either. Them don't make sense, brother. But I'm already do a lot of things still, you know, but I'll be a drama them there. But Leng, as I say, your son are gonna take over. So I hope your son can have a better idea, you see me? Break the race thing get the people, brother. But next one, I don't know I'm going to do a job at the crowd now because people then forward back and decide so them are going soon for now come with something different, but you don't know. People, follow the Instagram, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, one team, one dream, one scheme. Follow the Facebook, same way, NEWLINK Production Official, Twitter, NEWLINK Production. That's it. And remember to subscribe to the channel, people. We're not going nowhere. You see me, we're not going nowhere, my people. We're there same way, but you don't know the thing go. We're there same way, people. We're there, but you don't know the thing go. You know what I mean? Not every day gonna be the same. You see me? Because some people, let me tell you the truth, social media are what they live from. You see me? Big man thing that they live from, and that's why they carry so much hate and grudge and envy upon the media. But we don't live off of social media. We live off a 9-to-5 job. You see me? I remember, no matter in a life, people, remember, your happiness come first. You see me? Happiness. So, big up for yourself. I got to roll out and now switch on the ignition. You see me? Nyamodi? Nyamosity? You know? Yeah, bitch, people. I'm out. Bless
Them a chat bad pan the goalie what there, yeah. Cause him got wall over. He want bus and I move jump if he bus. Go all over down at the other man go fuck the monkey if he bus. But anything a bus I must pump here bus. Then call up my name pan the goalie side when me walk out. You see me? Tell them try run make me shoot up a man. Me now waste a shot for shoot them a one. You see me? One gunshot kill 2 batty man. Them no want clash. Pussy them man. Lyrical. Yeah man, they no want clash man.
So you never fought for no physical war?
Cause them shoes are not come in the lace. Me walk in with that. Hold on, me do an interview. You go like me a criminal.